Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Samp P 500 futures print mild gains near 3,350 amid risk reset. http ntvforex.com news ID 2A6C13 7 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Samp P 500 futures repeat the pattern of gains following losses while trying to recover the early month losses. India-China headlines join recent optimism at Japan to trim the previous losses amid a light calendar, thin news feeds. US CPI will be the key data, Sino-American tussle, Brexit, and stimulus talks to play their roles as well. Samp P 500 futures attempt recovery from 3,342, currently up 0.50% to 3,357, during the early Friday. The risk barometer has been trading on and off since the week's start but prints a second week of losses considering the heavy fall of Tuesday and Thursday. Read NBSP. Wall Street closed the market volatility can't use. All benchmarks gave up gains. The joint statement from Indian and Chinese military personnel to ease the border tension offers the latest pullback in the market's risk tone sentiment. The news came after both the Asian neighbors were jostling for borders and triggered war risks. The positive news joins receding coronavirus COVID-19-led activity restrictions in Tokyo as well as the record recovery in the BSI Large Manufacturing Conditions Index for the third quarter Q3. Earlier, the Trump administration continues to keep TikTok on the seller's radar while also canceling over 1,000 visas of Chinese residents citing the security risk. While the recently positive risk sentiment attempts market recovery, supporting gold and AUD/USD, broad challenges to the risk from Brexit and the delay in the U.S. fiscal package keeps the market mood sluggish. Against this backdrop, Japan's Nikkei 225 gains 0.22% but Australia's ASX 200 and New Zealand's NZX 50 are down around 1.0%. Further, stocks in China are also mixed. Whitereus, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yields struggle for clear direction around 0.68% by the press time. As a result, traders await a few more signals to confirm the latest shift in bias. Hence, today's U.S. Consumer Price Index CPI data for August will be the key. Forecasts suggest a notable recovery in the headline inflation numbers from 1.0% to 1.2%, which in turn can help the global market to recover some of the latest losses. Though, the performance of technology and automobile shares have been a wild guess off late and should be watched for a clear direction. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.